The industry is evolving, faster, smarter, more connected than ever before. But behind every breakthrough, one force remains constant. The motors, silent, tireless, until they fail, often without warning. But what if motors could speak?
Yeah, it's been rough. They've cranked my load way past what I'm rated for. Like non-stop high torque, no cooldowns.
Pretty sure my oil seal just gave up.
Honestly, if I keep going like this, I'll end up like Bob over there. Poor fella never stood a chance.
Incorrect. Temperatures, power fluctuations, bearings, lubrication.
All we're asking for is decent treatment. Just listen to us. You'll learn how we work.
Overload! Overload!
Seriously, I need a cooldown break, or I'm gonna have to
Sure, that engineer
Overload.
knows what's wrong with me.
last day of operation.
Overload! No.
Meet TeSys Tera, an intelligent motor management solution, having modular design for ease of installation, featuring on-unit programming to maximize efficiency, load shedding to enhance energy performance, and auto restart to keep uptime at its peak, all without compromising sustainability. This is more than automation. At Schneider Electric, we're giving motors a voice. Are you ready to listen? Leap into the new era of intelligent motor management with TeSys Tera.